We are going to do a walkthrough of an Omga TI 350 closed halving joint cutter and notcher. This machine is designed for the manufacturing of any kind of grill for colonial windows, doors, furniture frames, decorative panels, and ceilings. This machine has 3 modes: top cutter only, top and bottom cutter with end notching, and finally top and bottom and cut to length, which would be your 3rd mode. As you can see, we are engaging mode 1 and 2. So basically we are dropping that bottom head and re-engaging it. Here's a little bit different angle. Again, the difference between mode 1 and 2 is going to be engaging that lower head for 2. You do have forward and reverse. Your right thumb is going to activate your clamps, while the red button is going to release the clamps. This is a dual palms control machine. Finally, here's a top angle of us cycling the machine. It does include an Omga FP stop with 43 inches or 1,099 millimeters of travel, and you can switch between metric and standard. Currently, it is set to metric. We are in manual mode, which is basically the same as jogging. I'm going to switch to semi-automatic, which means that you enter in your measurement and the stop will go to that measurement.